Well, I'm now in the Microsoft Excel page, and you can see that the page is 100%. That is the zoom level. At the bottom there, you can see here it is written 100%. That is the zoom level. And suppose if you want to minimize this, you can click here, and for zooming out, you can see that now the page is zooming out. And suppose if you want to zoom in, then you can use this plus button. I can see that 30%, 40%, like the way it is becoming large. And if you want to custom this, you must click here. So if you want to customize, then you can see here it is written, you must click here, and the place where the percentage is showing normally it is 100%. You must click here, and there you can get the options of custom. And from here, if you want to customize it to 110, then type 110 in your keyboard, and after that you press OK button. It is customized to 110. Similarly, if you want to move it to 100, you can do from here custom, and from here you must select 100% and OK. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe.